Years ago, I carried a lot of tension in my body, stiffness in my neck, tightness in my shoulders, and random aches that would pop up out of nowhere. I stretched, I moved, I mobilized, and things improved a little. But it wasn't until I started rebounding that my body truly felt light, alive, and pain-free. And honestly, I think a lot of fitness experts overlook this simple tool. Not because it doesn't work, but because its benefits can't be easily measured. You don't track it on a screen, you feel it in your body. And that's exactly what makes it so powerful. It all started with a small, bouncy piece of equipment sitting quietly in the corner of my parents' house, untouched, collecting dust. You've seen one before, a mini-trampoline, a rebounder. The kind you might expect in a kids class or a late-night infomercial. But for me, it became the missing link in a problem I'd been trying to solve for years. This story is about headaches and the surprising power of movement when it's done with intention and curiosity. So here's the deal. I've been active most of my life. I became a certified yoga teacher in 2008. Years later, I specialized in kids yoga, which I truly love. I've taught countless classes, spent years immersed in breath, alignment and mobility. I've done all the right things, and yet I kept getting these headaches. Not migraines, but chronic tension. Pressure behind the eyes, stiffness in the neck, that dull ache that lingers for days. You know the kind, it creeps in while you're working or driving and just stays. That was my norm. I tried everything, from neck release poses, breathwork, meditation, magnesium, massage guns, foam rollers. Some things helped, but nothing freed me. Then one day I saw that rebounder sitting quietly in my parents' living room. They bought it with good intentions, but like most home fitness gear, it became furniture. So out of curiosity, I stepped on it. No goal, no plan, I just bounced. And after a few minutes, something shifted. It's hard to explain, but it felt like a pressure valve released in my head. My neck softened, my jaw relaxed, my body felt lighter. The next day I did it again and again. 10 minutes became 15, not as a workout, not to burn calories, just to feel better. That's when I got curious. Why was this helping when nothing else did? So I started researching, and what I found blew me away. Here's what happens when you bounce, even gently, on a rebounder. You stimulate your lymphatic system, the one responsible for draining waste, inflammation and toxins. It has no pump, it relies on movement. And you increase your circulation to the brain. Oxygen flows better, pressure equalizes, and brain fog lifts. You mobilize your fascia, that dense connective tissue around your muscles and nerves, especially in the neck and shoulders. When it's stuck, you feel pain. When it moves, you feel free. Here's my invite. Step on the rebounder, just bounce, light, easy, 5 minutes a day, 1 week. And then check in. How does your head feel, your neck, your sleep, your stress levels? Let it become your daily rhythm, something gentle, healing and consistent. And if you want to go deeper into how this works, fascia, joints, nervous system, watch this video here, how rebounding heals the body. It's linked right here and in the description. If this story resonated with you, give it a like, share it or drop a comment below. Thanks for being here. Stay curious, stay consistent and keep bouncing back. See you in the next one. Bye.